Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base length is 280 and height is 60 and 85 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, select line, length is 200 mm. Select the origin point. Again select line. This height is 60 and 30, down 20, and again this side also height is 57 and 85 and 32 mm. Select line, height is 57, this is 4 mm. Again take up, give the dimension, height is 85, this is 32. Sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch. Select extrude, select here both side 80 mm. Edit, future, give 80 mm. Select fillet 28 mm, apply. Next select this surface, sketch, select line, create one center line, select this line and convert it into construction. Select symmetric, give the dimension, this is 36, this is 32, and height is 22, this is also 22. 36 and 32, height is both 22. Sketch is delete this line, we don't require this. So sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch. Select extrude, reverse the direction, through hole, okay. Again one more flange, R15 from the base, 25 mm height. Select this surface, sketch, select here this line, select circle 30, give the dimension from here to here 25, select line, select trim, select tangent, it's already tangent, select vertical constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, here select up to, select this surface, apply, select fillet, so give some fillets here, 5 is enough, apply, again select this surface, sketch, select point, finish sketch, select hole, here we need tab, isometric 15, 30 mm is okay, front view, just you can compare with the board drawings, all the features are completed. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment, friends. Assign the material, go with steel only, stainless steel or mild steel. For finish we can give so many finishes are there for mechanical mild steel parts, so you can choose plate blue, sorry this is not coming, so zinc blue will come, I think zinc chromate is there, steel blue, yeah, this is the one which are normally used for steel, or they will use blackening also for mild steel. So based on your application you can assign the polishes here, friends. So save the part. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, I am requesting you to do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, friends.